This is my house. Here's my little girl, Bailyn. This is her birthday today, 2 years old. Here is our house. Here's grandparents' house. Let's take a look inside. Grab your ball. Pelota. Pelota. The living room. The TV. Belmita. The dinner table. I just finished my breakfast. Yum yum. Here's my room. Okay. Here, Bailyn. My bed. A towel drying. Okay. Hey, Nina. No, 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 no. Those are my earplugs. Aquí, Bailyn. The kitchen. Mom just made me breakfast. There's a bunch of ants right here. It's kind of gross. Okay. Here's my sink where I brush my teeth. I'm gonna do the dishes here. And this is my bathroom. Well, our bathroom. Shower. Baño. And the Bailyn. Here's Bailyn's laundry. This is parents' room. See. She's saying Ami, which is my name. Alright, I'll be home in 2 days. See you then.